Do you know why your pen is the most important thing in your life? Because if you lose a pen, you have no pen. No pen, no notes. No notes, you can't study. If you can't study, you fail. If you fail, no diploma. No diploma, no job. No job, no money. No money, no food. No food, you get skinny. You get skinny, you get ugly. You get ugly, you'll be single. If you're single, no marriage. No marriage, no kids. No kids, you're all alone. You're all alone, you're depressed. You're depressed, you get sick. And when you get sick, you die. So therefore, if you want to be successful in life, don't lose your pen.
Once in your life, give it a try. For what it's worth, don't keep quiet. We don't have the time. If lost for words, you can't decide. Can feel the truth based on a lie. Like armor around you, you're locked up. So hear my cry, cry, cry. Wanna show you my Avalon, Avalon. Still my you're still my Avalon. On the feel in your heart, you fake it. Lost the key and the will to break it. Don't be judging me, judging me. Don't be judging me, judging me. When you feel like you spill your spirit, saying things where you don't believe it. I won't be judging you, judging you. I won't be judging you, judging you. The perfect touch is in your eye, a hidden smile you can't deny. There's no better time. Someone I knew told a tale of greatness. I missed the youth, oh how we were endless. The demons surround you, you hear them as they cry, cry, cry. When they barricade my Avalon, Avalon. Still my you're still my Avalon. You feel in your heart, you fake it. Lost the key and the will to wake it. Don't be judging me, judging me. Judging me, judging me. When you feel like you spilled your spirit, saying things where you don't believe it. I won't be judging you, judging you. I won't be judging you, judging you. Avalon.